I'm here today with these 5-ing boxing pads, so let's unbox these and see what we get. So it's packaged quite well with a lot of packaging material there. So I'm just going to be real careful in opening this because I don't want to like mess them up, right? So each is also protected separately in like a little bag here. And I can already see I have this nice 5-ing logo and then a little target on there. So pretty cool. Let's see how these feel. So obviously you have your left and your right pad. You have like this hand support in there and a flap going right over it. The stitching seems quite nice. So it really is quite a nice fit. And then this stretchy material right here. So that's nice as well. And I've got a couple of fingers here where I can put my fingers. And what I really like is this pad here at the back. So right now I'm holding it, but I have this pad supporting my hand. So when I've got a hard kick or a hard punch, this really supports my wrist here. So it's quite nice as well. So they feel great. They're quite soft here, but still a lot of punch in there. So it feels very nice right out of the box. I really like the stitching, so these seem like they would last a long time. And look at the detail there. That's pretty cool. So very nice, and I really recommend. I hope this video has helped you make your choice.